Do you know thoroughly what is petroleum? Many people may think it is only oil, but actually there are much more that you still don't know. Petroleum is a naturally occurring yellow to black liquid found in geological formation beneath the Earth's surface, which is commonly refined into many types of fossil fuels. It consists of hydrocarbons of various molecular weights and other organic compounds, which made when sea plants and animals die, and the remain become buried under several thousand feet of sand or mud. Fossil fuels take millions of years to form, and therefore petroleum is also considered to be a non-renewable energy source.
The early history of petroleum. More than 4,000 years ago, according to Herodotus and confirmed by Diodorus Siculus, asphalt was employed in the construction of the walls and towers of Babylon. There were oil fields near Arica and a peat spring on Zacynthus. The earliest known oil wells were drilled in China in 347 AD or earlier. They had depths of up to about 800 feet and were drilled using bits attached to bamboo poles. The oil was burned to evaporate wind and produce salt. By the 10th century, extensive bamboo pipeline connects oil wells with the salt spring. The modern history of petroleum. Petroleum has been known throughout historical time. It was used in mortar for coating walls and road poles, and as a fire weapon in defensive warfare. Native Americans used it in magic and medicine and in making tin. Pioneers bought it from the Native Americans for medical use and called it Seneca oil and Guinness oil. In Europe, it was proven from streams or holes in the ground, and in the early 19th century, small quantities were made from shale. In 1815, several streets in Prague were lighted with petroleum lamps. In 1859, Edwin Drake sank the first known oil well. This was in Pennsylvania. Since this time, oil and petroleum production figures grow exponentially. Originally, the primary use of petroleum was as a lighting fuel. Once it had been distilled and turned into kerosene. When Edison opened the world's first electricity generating plant in 1882, the demand of kerosene began to drop. Petroleum is running out, but the future is not as bleak as it appears as biofuel is on its way. However, by this time, Henry Ford had shown the world that the automobile would be the best form of transport for decades to come, and gasoline began to be a product in high demand. World War I was the real catalyst for petroleum production, with more petroleum being produced throughout the war than had ever been produced previously. In modern times, petroleum is viewed as a valuable commodity traded around the world in the same way as gold and diamonds.
Next is the process of petroleum drilling. First step is to explore where petroleum is. There are so many methods, but the most common one is seismic survey. The next one is to drill by using the rig, a machine that creates holes in the Earth's subsurface. The third one is production, using pump jack. The center is called walking beam. On one side, it attached to pitman arm, counterweight, and two cranks. They generate power for the other side that consists of horse head, bridle, pulley, and sucker rod, standing and traveling about under the Earth's surface, that pull petroleum out of the ground. Fourthly, petroleum will be transported by road, rail, sea, and most common way, pipeline. Last step is refinery. Each component has different molecular weight and boiling point, so we use this to separate each of them. First, we send a sound wave into the ground. Some waves will bounce back and return those waves into a three-dimensional image. Next, the rig is used in drilling. There was a turntable that turns drill strings so drill bit can drill deeper into the ground. The extra mud will be transported above the ground to the shell shakers to remove any solids, then go to mud pump to produce energy for drilling. Then the rig will be removed and the pump jack will be replaced. This is how it works. After that, petroleum is transported by pipeline, which is made of steel. About
created using Powtoon.